Welcome back again to Pete's Model Car Customs. I've got something totally different here today. After having a look through the 3D printed figures that Seamy sent over along with the model kits, model car stuff, the distributors and that, I decided to dig out the Kelly's Heroes set of figures there, and I've spent the day painting them, and I thought, it's a bit different, something to do. They're just slightly satiny at the moment because I've just put a varnish on them to protect them. I thought I'd get a look at how these figures are. They're 1/72 3D printed resin figures. This one's obviously the Tiger Captain. Bring him round. He's got oops, where's that gone? Well, he did have quite nice goggle detail hanging from his chin there, and I think he captures the look of the actor very well, really. I think that's quite a good sculpture. So I'm moving around. This one's the sort of the Clint Eastwood Kelly figure. Round with the Thompson. And got some quite nice details of his jacket. Like I said, I've just put a varnish drying on these at the moment. Bringing us round to Donald Sutherland's Oddball. Thanks very much, Doug Bauman reminded me of the fella's name, character name. But I thought that was quite good. It does look like Donald Sutherland-ish. And another one of the Americans. And I've had quite a nice time today painting these. Miniature turntable, the back to him again. And they've got, you can see through to the back detail of this one here. It's quite nice detail of the jacket and gauntlets that he's wearing, and the head leather, flying helmet he's got on. I think he seems to be wearing an American flying helmet rather than an actual tank headlight liner. Headlight liner? What are they called? Helmet liner. And there again, this one's quite good. There's some quite nice detail that I've muddied in around his gaiters and that. I have muddied their lower bits in. I'm just trying to get changes in khaki to different khaki, you know. It's the same with the green over on the figure at the back. I've tried to get a difference in the colour of his trousers to his jacket. And same with there, he's wearing the tank suit, or tanker overalls, leggings and bib front overalls, and a flying jacket. That's quite well sculpted. Oh, come on, focus on the damn thing. But anyway, they're really nice. I'm quite chuffed with that. I've had a different day. The Kelly's Heroes. In 1/72 from Seamy over there in Northern Ireland. Anyway, best wishes from jolly old England. Oh, and thank you for pointing out I've had 1,000 subscribers. I hadn't actually noticed that. I know I was getting close, but I've picked up quite a few in the last week. So if you're a new subscriber, This is nothing like what I normally do on my channel, but you're welcome to join us on this mad little world. Bye.